So this is the rolling tool organizer cart that my dad and I put together, which was really simple since everything was labeled and the instructions were clear. The brand did send it over to us in exchange for this video to let you guys know what we thought about it, so thanks so much to them for partnering with us. But once we had it all set up, my dad was able to load it with the tools that he uses most often from his larger toolboxes and larger tool walls. It does have spots for drills, drill bits, batteries, screwdrivers, pliers, and all those smaller items that usually get buried somewhere. What's nice is that it has an 8-outlet power strip built right in, so he can plug in his chargers for his tools and keep everything powered up all in one place. The side baskets and hooks give him extra space to hang things like wrenches and cords. So it really helped keep everything organized, and it's nice that he can load everything up on this cart and then roll it right over to where he needs it. Or if you want to put it up against a wall, you can do that too. It does have 2 brakes on the wheels, so it's not going to move around on you. The frame is heavy duty and sturdy, so it can hold a lot of weight without any problem. It's basically a portable charging and storage station, and now instead of digging through drawers, he can just roll this cart over to where he's working and he has everything ready to go right at his fingertips. He absolutely loves it. It's going to get a lot of use out here in his garage. We hope you love it too, and I hope this video helps.